somewhere in all of this mess, no, I wouldn't say mess, and all this product is a camera. The camera that we were using and I've been using the last couple of weeks to film vlogs. And it's been missing for a week now. The last time I saw it was Black Friday, and I finished the vlog for that day around, I don't know, 4 o'clock or something. And I haven't seen it since. So I'm hoping today on Restock Day, as we move stuff around, I may find it. But it's a small camera, so I may not actually find it, but I hope I do.
Hello, I'm Joe.
And I'm Jessica.
Years back, we set out to find a lifestyle that allowed us to live comfortably, homeschool our 3 children, and make a life and legacy we would be proud of.
Reselling liquidated goods both online and locally through our bin store was the vehicle that allowed us to do just that.
It's hard work, it's constantly changing, but we wouldn't trade it for the world.
Here's the story of how our small business runs in the midst of all the challenges life throws at us.
As always, thank you for stopping by, and come on in.
Let it go, I can let it go. This let it go, I can let it go. You think I'm too much, because I'm too much. Don't you gotta go, cause I gotta go. Let it drive on, full power, never hit the brakes, no comma. I gotta go, I gotta get, I'm on my way to get the full power. Won the game, first place, MVP, I say GG. And even if you still don't get it, just wait, I'm about to go like bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum, I'm going to the maximum, I'm going to the maximum. Faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster.
We're normally open this time on Fridays. Time is it 9, 10 o'clock. Time is going by fast already, as it does every day. But we're normally open this time. On Fridays, we have typically opened from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., but for a many number of reasons, some I've touched on previous videos, so I won't go into the full thing today. But for the next few weeks, for the holiday season, we are going to be opening from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. And a large part of that is because, as we have discovered exactly who our target demographic is, I would say we have lots of demographics. Our ideal shopper because of the retail wall, because of the eBay items, is that those people usually work during the days. Businesses and how they operate today with remote hours, with all of that sort of thing, that lots of people have varying schedules, but a lot of people still operate under the banker's hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, 9 to 5, 9 to 6, those types of things. So with that, and with a lot of feedback that we've received over the last year and a half of being open, is that a lot of people have asked us to be open the first day at night. A lot of people say, hey, we'll open up on Saturday, the first day. And if we opened on Sundays, but we don't want to open up on Sundays. And so a lot of people who work during the day, they can't come in. Like they can't come in at 8 o'clock before they go to work, and then at lunchtime, some people can come shop if they're close enough, but we're kind of like they're a larger town for Arkansas, like 70,000 people, but Little Rock is like 30 minutes away. I know there's a lot of people who travel Little Rock that do live here in Conway that do come in and shop, and it's impossible for them to come in during the day and shop. So we thought for all those people, for the holiday season, for people wanting to do Christmas shopping, all that stuff, that we would open from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. as a way. And that's a little nerve-wracking for me for a couple different reasons. And one is, you don't know how customers are going to take change. You don't know. Just like with our culture, the Western culture, is there are a very loud group of people that always communicate, what they don't like. Don't really ever communicate what they do like, but you always know when they don't like something. So you always wonder, how are customer base going to respond to changes? Because then you've got a silent majority, majority of people who they don't really say anything. They just, whether they like it or dislike it, they don't say anything. And then secondly is we know what we know. Like, we have a really good idea of what traffic is going to be like on Fridays when opening up at 8 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Granted, it may start off slower, it may get busy later, it may start off super busy and get slow or later on. But as far as the end of the day, you have a good idea that you know people are going to come in and they're going to buy a bunch of stuff. So it's like only opening 3 hours versus 11 hours is like, what if we're not busy? And then all those items that we normally would sell, we didn't sell. So as a small business owner that operates a bin store where the first day is the highest and you don't sell as many items as you need on the first day, it could create, I'm not going to say anxiety, but the unknown, the uncertainty is a little scary with it.
Max power, I'm about to go bigger and better. If I ever lose, I don't know, faster than ever. If I ever lose, I don't know, bigger and better. Hitting all the goals I can. Bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum.
So we are fully stocked. It is like 4:30. And we still got an hour and a half before we open up at 6 o'clock. And there wasn't nearly as many people as I thought would try to come shop today, just based off of the amount of people who have been trying to come shop at 10 o'clock this week. So I guess, I don't know, we've been putting lots of messages out on Facebook, sent out text messages, all kinds of stuff. I did several videos as well to let everybody know that we were open at 6 o'clock tonight. So there wasn't not as many people that came than I thought. So I hope they come tonight. I hope that means that they know that we're open tonight and they're going to come shopping, because we've got tons and tons of stuff. I mean, you can see the bins are full, retail wall is full. We've got more clothing out, and I don't quite like the shoes that are here. And usually we put the shoes on this, and then it would go in the front of the thing, but now we've got 5 racks here, 5 this way instead of 3, so there's not as much space. So I'm thinking we're going to put the shoes on the bottom of these little black racks here and see how that goes, because I still want to be able to display shoes, but I do not want to clog up the aisle, because like we need a little aisle, a little space here to direct the line, but also still have space to shop, or to shop the clothes, but also space to test the retail, I guess the testing station. So I'm not exactly sure what to do with it, but we got more clothes out. It's like we need 2 more feet. It's like we need all of these bins to go back like 2 feet, which we probably could because we've got some space on the back side. But to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins that are like 30 feet long, I don't know if that's going to be worth it, but we'll see how it goes. But we've got the bins that I was telling you about for the Home Depot, I guess for the home improvement stuff, I should say. We've got those. We're still going to paint those. But I like them. They're full. We had lots of Christmas stuff, which I pulled out of some of the pallets. Kind of skimmed the top of those to see how much was in there, but also to get a lot of the Christmas stuff out, because it needed to go out now, because Christmas is in three weeks. Like, there's 3 more Fridays to shop, including today. Is that right? Today is the 3rd or the 2nd. Yeah, 21 days from now will be the 23rd, and then Christmas Eve is on Saturday the 24th, and then Christmas is on the 25th, so 3 more Fridays. Oh my Lord. I'm tired, y'all. It's been a long day. I mean, it started at 6 o'clock this morning, but it started here like at 8:15. It is 7:40, Traffic has been good. We haven't quite hit the sales goal that I had in mind. And that's really going to be the determining factor whether this opening time continues on into the new year, because we're really kind of an experiment to see if this would be better for our overall performance of the store to do that. So the jury's still out. We still got 2 more weeks that will be opening up at 6 o'clock, and then the Friday before Christmas we'll be opening up earlier in the day. So we've got a couple more weeks. We're definitely going to be doing as much as we have done in the whole day. We will definitely hit that, but is it more? We'll do as much as we have been the last 6 weeks, the average, but are we doing more overall because of the holiday rush? That's to be determined. So y'all have a good night, day, whatever part of the day it is. Until next time, peace.
Bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster.